hope you are all well. In today's video, we'll be installing the side skirt decals our good friend David bought from eBay. When I was lining the decals up, I couldn't get the masking tape to stick to hold the decals into place. There would be random gusts of wind blowing it off, and David coated the paint with Dr. Beasley's Bead Hero. I must say, the paint felt very slick after 1 week of application. I decided to just go for it, peeling a bit of the backing paper off, tacking it into place and then peeling the rest off. You'll see the tunnelling where the transfer tape is coming away from the decals, causing what looks like fingers. It's common with having clear transfer tape. Usually during the process stage, the tape will get stretched to go on top of the decals to ensure it's nice and flat with no air in between. But as time goes by, the tape will begin to shrink, causing tunnelling. Sometimes it can lift the decals away from the backing paper. Luckily, this was not the case after checking it all over. I'll put a link in the description for the decals used. Remember to hit the like and subscribe button, and I hope to see you on the next one.
He's got plans tonight, man. It was just chill. For that, man, I'd have been scrunched up my ball if I was to try and do something like that. understand the concept, but